Since this is National Invasive Species Awareness Week, the first thing we want to point out is feral hogs, wild hogs, feral swine, razorbacks, whatever you want to call them. They're all descended from Sussex-Grove locals or wild pigs. We actually administer and are part of the Arkansas Feral Hog Eradication Task Force. And so the task force itself is housed and resides within the Department of Agriculture. But we co-chair that task force with our partners over the Arkansas Game Division.
Feral hogs do very well in Arkansas. They don't necessarily just survive, but they thrive. They reproduce at an exponential rate. They can have up to 6 to 7 piglets within each litter and have multiple litters a year. And they are very opportunistic, and they'll eat just about anything that they can get in their mouth. And they can survive in just about any environment, whether you're talking about arid environments or swamps. It doesn't matter. A feral hog can find a way to make a living. So not only do feral hogs destroy our native ecosystem, but they also compete with our native wildlife. And so they will push out, drive out your turkeys, white-tailed deer. They'll even compete with black bears in specific regions, and WMAs, or even national forests.
The Natural Resource Division, Department of Agriculture, has obtained a grant through USDA NRCS, or Natural Resource Conservation Service. We partnered with USDA APHIS for a pilot project. It's actually called the Feral Swine Control Project. We've hired 10 technicians through local soil and water conservation districts across 12 counties in Arkansas. In partnership with the Arkansas Game and Fish Commission, they put together an ArcGIS-based survey. It's called Survey 123. What that does is that allows the public to go in and enter their data. If they're catching 20 pigs in Cleveland County, we just ask that those private individuals enter that data, whether it's trapping, shooting, etc.